Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about social media apps. Those are making the short videos. You know that the short video trend is going on, and each and every platform available for short videos, such as you can also make short videos on YouTube Shorts. In the same way, other applications are available for short video creators. But I have noticed on some applications that on short videos, entertaining videos, if I talk about them, everything is fake on social media. The people, the girls, those are coming in front of you while singing the songs, performing on different kind of songs and making the steps, doing the modeling, are totally fake. Some are genuine because they are using some kind of filters, they are using high makeup, they are using different colors clothes, and when they come in front of the camera they look beautiful. But when you see them in person without makeup, you can't able to recognize them, that this is the same person you were watching on social media, because they are using social media too much. I think that fake activities, fake people are available. Real people sometimes come on social media without makeup. Right now I'm making this video without making any kind of makeup, without applying any kind of cream on my face. Naturally, this is morning time, and I was feeling fresh. I thought that I should make a video for my English language channel, and this was the topic for today, that social media, I think that mostly things are fake on social media, especially when I talk about short creators, those do the entertainment videos, or especially the girls, those are coming in front of you to entertain you. They are using highly makeup and fake things. I have seen some models, girls, those are very beautiful on screen, but when you see them in person, they are not too much attractive. They are seen on social media as they are seen on social media. So don't believe on social media when you want to make some kind of interaction or friends. Don't make friends on the basis of beauty. Make friends on the basis of intelligence. If the other person is intelligent, they are beautiful. Intelligent people are always beautiful because they have beautiful mind, they have beautiful heart. But those who are showing off themselves with fake identity, with fake colors, with fake dressing, they are fake. They are spreading the fake things on social media. Search the real people, intelligent people on social media, and make interaction with them to communicate, to increase your knowledge, to make a good friendship. Hope you find today's video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and before leaving, please do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.